First time in 7 years, Prime Minister Modi carried out a biggest revamp of his cabinet with a major shake-up of his ministry. Modi threw many surprises. The removal of senior and junior minister whom he perceived as low performers and rewarded with heavy portfolios to those who delivered results set strong message. Modi sent a clear indication that performance and talent will be the only criteria to be in the team. The team now has 41 professionals with 13 lawyers, 6 doctors, 7 former civil servants and 5 engineers into the council. The standout new minister in Modi's team is ex-IAS Ashwini Vaishnav, Rajya Sabha member from Odisha. Ashwini Vaishnav is now the new railway minister. Vaishnav will also be the communications, electronics and information technology minister. Nirmala Sitharaman is rewarded by bringing public enterprise under finance ministry. It can be seen as an effort to speed up privatization process. Mansukh Mandavia was holding Ministry of State Chemical and Fertilizer and played a key role in getting oxygen delivery to every part of the country. He has been rewarded and handed over the charge of health. In a bid to make hassle-free drugs procurement, Modi clubbed chemicals into health department. During second wave of COVID, oxygen and drug procurement became cumbersome process due to two separate departments. In a big reward for delivering Madhya Pradesh to the BJP at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic in India, Jyotiraditya Scindia was induced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his Council of Ministers on Wednesday. By late evening, Jyotiraditya Scindia was allocated his portfolio civil aviation. His father Madhav Rao Scindia had served as the civil aviation minister in the PV Narasimha Rao government. Piyush Goyal will now be the Minister of Textiles, beside being the Minister of Commerce and Industry and the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Rajya Sabha MP Dharmendra Pradhan, who has been handling the Petroleum Ministry till now in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's second term, will now handle the Education and Skill Development portfolio. Anurag Thakur will be the new Information and Broadcasting Minister and Kiran Rijiju has been made the new Law Minister. A total of 43 MPs, 15 cabinet ministers and 28 ministers of state were sworn in by President Ramnath Kovind in a ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan on Wednesday evening.